Muchal, Smriti Mandhana's wedding called off. Unfollow, statements, and rumors. And you'll not believe what really happened. And to know the full update, watch the video till the end. दोस्तों, एक शादी जिसका पूरा देश इंतजार कर रहा था, एक लव स्टोरी जो क्रिकेट और म्यूजिक की दुनिया को जोड़ रही थी, वो शादी लास्ट मोमेंट पर क्यों टूट गई और क्यों पलाश मुच्छल और स्मृति मंदाना ने एक दूसरे को इंस्टाग्राम पर अनफॉलो कर दिया, और क्या सच में चीटिंग के रूमर्स थे? पूरा सच मिलेगा आपको इस वीडियो में। Palash Muchal and Smriti Mandhana unfollowed each other on the Instagram after calling off the wedding. Indian music composer Palash Muchal was supposed to get married to Smriti Mandhana on November 24, and they postponed their wedding after Smriti's father was hospitalized due to sudden health issues. And even Palash was hospitalized a day later, and there were numerous speculations and rumors claiming that Palash cheated on Smriti. और अब सब formalities clear हो चुकी हैं. Palash and Smriti unfollowed each other on Sunday. Both Palash and Smriti shared separate statements on their Instagram stories to confirm that their wedding is called off. Meanwhile, on Sunday, Palash wrote a note on his Instagram stories, which began like, "I have decided to move on in my life and step back from a personal relationship." He added, "It's been very difficult for me to see people react so easily on the baseless rumors about something which has been most scared to me. It's the most difficult phase of my life and I'll deal with it, gracefully holding on to my beliefs. I truly hope we as a society learn to pause before judging someone based on the unverified gossip whose sources are never identified. Our words can bound in many ways. We may never understand." Smriti also posted on her Instagram stories, "Over the past few weeks, there have been plenty of speculation around my life and I feel it. It is important for me to speak out at this time. I am a very private person and I would like to keep it that way, but I need to clarify that the wedding is called off. I would like to close this matter here and implore all of you to do the same. I request you to please respect the privacy of both the families at this time and allow us the space to process and move on at our own space." And she added, "I believe there is a higher purpose driving us all, and for me, that has always been representing my country at the highest level. I hope to continue to play and win trophies for India for as long as possible, and that is where my focus will forever be. Thank you for all your support, and it's time to move forward." The reports further explained on the wedding day, Smriti's father, Srinivas Mandhana, fell ill and was rushed to the Sarvahit Hospital and Medical Research Center in Sangli after showing heart attack-like symptoms. Palash and Smriti's wedding was then put on hold. A day later, music composer Palash was also admitted to the hospital. Palash's mother told that the music composer is very close to Smriti's father, and when he fell ill, and Palash decided they should not proceed with the wedding rituals until he recovered. Smriti Mandhana says wedding with Palash Muchal is off. India's cricketer Smriti Mandhana has broken her silence on her wedding to Palash Muchal. In an Instagram story, Mandhana confirmed for the first time that the wedding was off and requested the privacy for both the families. India cricketer Smriti Mandhana and music composer Palash Muchal's wedding has officially been called off. Mandhana addressed the matter on Instagram, confirming that the families decided to part ways and cancel the wedding after weeks of speculation. On December 7th, Mandhana shared a short statement requesting the privacy and emphasizing that she wished to close the matter with her post. "Over the past few weeks, there has been plenty of speculation around my life and I feel it. It is important for me to speak out at this time. I am a very private person and I would like to keep it the way. But I need to clarify that the wedding is called off," Mandhana said. तो अब एक तरफ rumors और एक तरफ है फैमिली हेल्थ इश्यूज और दूसरी तरफ दो लोग जो सिर्फ अपनी डिग्निटी और प्राइवेसी बचाना चाहते हैं. पलाश मुच्छल की लाइन थी, "Our words can bound in many ways. We may never understand." हमें याद दिलाती है कि सोशल मीडिया की बातें कभी कभी सच से ज्यादा चोट पहुंचाती है. और स्मृति मंदाना की डिग्निटी फील्ड अपील, "I would like to close this matter here. I request you to please respect the privacy of both the families." ये बताती है कि फोकस उनका सिर्फ एक ही है, इंडिया के लिए खेलना. शादी टूट गई पर रिस्पेक्ट और ग्रेस दोनों तरफ से बरकरार है. जिंदगी में कभी कभी सबसे टफ डिसीजंस लेने के लिए सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग लोग बनते हैं. अब इस पूरी सिचुएशन को आप लोग कैसे देखते हैं? सो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स एंड हाँ, डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो अस फॉर मोर सच गॉसिप.